Hi guys, this is part 3 in making a scrolling platformer game in Scratch. So if you haven't seen part 1 and 2 yet, make sure to check it out. Link is on the description below. So in my last videos I showed you how to code your player so it can move and jump. And I showed you how to make your player wall jump. And to make our level scroll, and if our player touches the spikes or if it falls down, our player dies. So in this video I'll be showing you how to add the coins and add a portal so we can move to the next level, and I'll be showing you how to make our vertical scrolling. So let's get started. So first I'll show you how to code the coins. So already I have uploaded the coins. So there are 13 costumes. So now click on danger and let's copy all these blocks to our coin sprite. So let's clean up our blocks and define clone at X and Y. We need to set our X and Y to X and Y. So I'll change this to X and Y so it's not changed. Remove this next costume and we need to change coins max coin max by 1, and then we need to set size to 10. Then create clone of myself. And when I receive setup, we need to set X and Y to 0, and then we need to set coins collected and coins max to 0. And then we need to hide, and if level equals 1, we need to clone at X negative 170 and Y 10. And I'll fill the other X and Y positions. Okay, so these are the clone X and Y positions, so we don't need the switch costume block. And then we need to set our X to negative 9999999. And then when I receive resets, we need to delete this clone. And when I receive set game, hide. And when I receive tick, do this position block, grab a if, touching player. We need to change coins collected by 1. And grab another if statement. So if coins collected equals coin max, then we need to broadcast open portal. and then we need to delete this clone. And now to our position block. So if x is equal to x position and y is equal to y position, we need to show and then next costume, else hide. So okay, now let's test our coins. So now you can see our coins appear, and when our player touches the coin, it hides. And so our coin animation also works. So our coin works. So now I'll be showing you how to code your portal. So click on portal and go for coins, and let's copy all these sprites to the portal. So okay, let's clean up our blocks. And when I receive setup, you don't need this tool. Grab an if else statement. So if level is greater than 2, then remove all this code, set x to negative 99999. If level equals 1, we need to switch costume to close portal, and we need to clone at x 1110 and y negative 5. And then go to clone at. We need to remove this. And remove this next costume. And when I receive tick, we need to remove this and grab an if statement. So if grab an and equals, so if costume number is equals to 2, which is our open portal, and if touching player, then we need to set exit to win. Now click on your player and let's make a new block, player win. And let's define player win. We need to repeat 50. So repeat 50. We need to point towards exit or portal. We need to turn 65 degrees. Then we need to move, divide. So distance to portal, divide by 2, and then we need to change our size by -1, and we need to set our ghost effect. So change our ghost effect by 2. And then we need to hide. Let's clean up our blocks. So now go here when I receive play game. Remove this and change it to an if else statement, and if exit is equal to win, we need to play a win, else we need to play a die. So now click on your platforms and duplicate. So if level equals 2, then we need to switch costume to 2-1, and then we need to clone at x 150, y 200, and 360 and 100. So okay, now click on portal, and when I receive open portal, then we need to switch costume to our open portal. So now click on your player and define player win. After hide, we need to change our level by 1. So now you can see our coin works, and when we have collected all our coins, our portal works and we move to our next level. So now I show you how to make our Y scrolling or vertical scrolling. So for that, click on your player. We need to go to here to our tick block, define tick, and we need to change our scroll Y by, we need to round, take a divide and a minus, so Y minus scroll Y times 10, and then grab an if statement. So if scroll Y is lesser than 10, so it's greater than 10, we need to set scroll Y to 0, and then we need to position it and duplicate and remove this, and if Y is lesser than -80, we need to set exit to dead. So now you can see our vertical scrolling is working. And now let's add some clone ads. So now click on platforms and let's duplicate this. So okay, I have added some codes to our level sprite. So if level equals 3, we need to switch costume to level 3-1. I'm going to clone at these points. And if level equals 4, switch costume to level 41. So these two. So if level equals 5, we need to switch costume to level 51 and add some clone. And if level equals 6, we need to switch costume to 6-1. So now click on your danger. Let's copy this to our danger sprite. So clean up. So when I receive setup, so let's bring this to the top. Now let's join these two. So okay, I have removed some clones, so we don't need danger at everywhere. So okay, if level equals 3, I have removed one block, and if level equals 4, and if level equals 5. So make sure you change this. So now click on your coins, duplicate this, so remove this, set x to -99, and let's paste it at the end, duplicate, and duplicate this. And then we need to set our x to -99999. So okay, now let's change this. So okay, I have changed the code. So if level equals 2, these are the coordinates. So at the end, we need to set x to -99999. So now click on portal and change this to 6. Let's duplicate. And change this to 2 if level equals 2, if level equals 3, if level equals 4, if level equals 5. So if level equals 2, we need to clone at x and clone at So if level equals 3, clone at x 1235 and 150. So if level equals 4, we need to create clone at 990 and y50. So if level equals 4, we need to clone at 990 and 50. And if level equals 5, we need to clone at 2480 and y. 360, and else we need to set x to 999999999. So now you can see so now our player can collect our coins. You can see our portal opens and we move to the next level, and our vertical scrolling works, and you can see our coins on the second level and our portal. So then we move to level 3. So that's it for today's video. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe and share, and see you in part 4 in making a scrolling platformer game in Scratch.